Award and the 6th trophy from the Box Office Award. And all because of his consistent multi-platinum status of his released album. 2013 Male Recording Artist of the Year, Mr. Christian Bautista.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Mrs. Chick de la Cruz.
Thank you so much, Guillermo Foundation, for this award. Thank you to my management, Stages. Thank you to my label, Universal Records. Thank you to GMA. Thank you to all the fans and all the sponsors. Most of all, thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng OPM. Maraming salamat sa sumusuporta ng musikang Pilipino. Kasi po kung wala po kayo, wala na po kami dito. At ang sarap lang po alalahanin na the past few weeks, nabigyan po ako muli ng isang bagong reason ulit na para kumanta, para mag-perform. Talagang napaalala lang po sa akin ng Diyos na grabe po itong trabaho natin. If you're an actor or you're a singer, biro mga trabaho po natin magpasaya ng tao. What a job. So let's always be thankful. Thank you, Guillermo Foundation, for your award. God bless you, and congratulations to all my fellow awardees. Thank you.